Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn and meticulously get to know the correct and efficient way to successfully create a well-organized and engaging playlist directly on your YouTube channel. This incredibly useful and universally applicable method works seamlessly and flawlessly on both popular iPhone devices and a wide variety of Android mobile phones, ensuring accessibility for virtually all smartphone users who wish to manage their content effectively. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking, and sharing this video with your friends and family. After opening the YouTube app, as usual, go directly to this place and tap on it. Then tap on the plus sign that says playlist in front of it. So in this section, you write a name for this playlist. For example, I will carefully write YouTube into the designated input field, and here you can then precisely choose whether this particular playlist is indeed a playlist. Subsequently, you must decide if it should be publicly accessible, unlisted for specific sharing, or kept entirely private and confidential. For example, I will choose public. As for the second important option, which is collaboration, we will explain it in much greater detail in the near future. And finally, you should then tap on the Create button from here to proceed. So, we have successfully and completely created this new playlist. And you can easily edit this particular playlist by simply tapping on this specific option or this distinct pencil icon located right here. You can also conveniently change the name of this entire playlist from this very spot, and you can easily add a detailed description to it from right here. Furthermore, you have the option to make this particular playlist either unlisted, completely private, or publicly accessible from this very spot. As for these additional and important options, we will thoroughly explain them in much greater detail in the near future. After making changes, simply click here to save. You can also simply click on this convenient option to share this playlist with your friends and family via WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, or other popular social media platforms. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The comprehensive playlist, containing numerous valuable YouTube tutorials, includes many important and highly beneficial guides that you will undoubtedly find very useful and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends. And just to make a clear note, you can always effortlessly create another entirely new playlist or even several additional new playlists, perhaps for different topics or categories, to further organize your content effectively